welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT World, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Tadani and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. OpenAI is raising $6.6 billion from big investors like Thrive Capital and Tiger Global, but wants more than just money. They are asking these investors not to fund 5 rival companies, including Elon Musk's xAI and Iya Sutskever's Safe Superintelligence. This unusual move aims to secure an edge in the competitive AI landscape, where funding is crucial. OpenAI plans to boost its revenue by $3.7 billion this year to $11.6 billion by 2025, focusing on selling more tools to enterprises and end users. Perplexity, the AI search platform, is gearing up to launch its native Mac app on October 15. Users can pre-order the app, which will automatically install when it becomes available. The app offers all features from its web and mobile versions, allowing users to conduct searches and ask follow-up questions with context. Perplexity also introduced a pro subscription for advanced features, aiming to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT app for Mac. This move marks a significant step in expanding its user base in the competitive AI market. In a bold move, Google has rehired Noam Shazir to co-lead its AI model development. After a $2.7 billion deal with Character.ai, a startup he funded, Shazir, a key figure in the AI boom, left Google in 2021, but has returned to lead efforts on Google's Gemini AI chatbot. The acquisition reflects a trend among tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon, looking to secure top talent as competition heats up in the AI sector amid growing regulatory scrutiny. Before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying the video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top for all things of tech. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. Cover everything from pioneer AI advancements to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content. Stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Asus has ambitious plans to have AI-powered PCs make up 5 to 10% of its total shipment by the end of 2024. With hopes to achieve the target sooner due to rising demands, the company aims to capture a larger share of India's growing PC market. Focusing on consumer upgrades and expanding its retail presence, Asus plans to increase its market share from 18% to over 20% by the end of 2024, emphasizing both entry-level and premium offerings as it targets the vast majority of Indian households. Google is stepping up its AI game by developing software that mimics human reasoning. Similar to OpenAI's O1 model, multiple teams with Google are working on advanced reasoning capabilities to solve complex problems. Google's technical power remains strong. Recent showcases, including models like AlphaProof and AlphaGeometry, indicate progress in mathematical reasoning. As AI competition intensifies, Google's advancement signals its commitment to maintaining a leading role in the evolving tech landscape. Microsoft is upgrading its consumer AI assistant, Copilot, to make it more engaging and user-friendly. The latest update gives Copilot a more personable voice and enables it to analyze web pages while user browse. With a team of creative professionals refining Copilot's tone, and the assistant now responds with verbal cues and personal suggestions. New features for subscribers include deeper reasoning capabilities and the ability to discuss content seen in Microsoft Edge browser. This update aims to enhance user experience in the competitive AI market. 4 top cancer centers, Dana-Farber, Fred Hutch, Memorial Sloan Kettering, and Johns Hopkins, have formed the Cancer AI Alliance with support from tech giants like AWS, Microsoft, and Nvidia. The alliance will use advanced AI to analyze vast amount of cancer data while ensuring data privacy and security. Fred Hutch will lead the initiative, which aims to solve challenges in cancer research and improve patient outcomes. With over $40 million in funding, CAIA hopes to generate grounding insights by the end of 2025 with an ambitious goal of investing $1 billion in cancer innovation. This was all for this week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Works.